All right, hi, this is Dave from Dave Splains, and this is a backyard Lego train track that was built to demonstrate the work behind, uh, the front-facing stuff. So, unfortunately, tonight we can't make another run because one, it's getting dark out, and two, it's going to get lost under a foot of snow by tomorrow morning. So now I have to clean all of this up again and prepare it to. But hey, if anything else, maybe I'll get a couple of good tunnels or something to drive through. All right, tune in for the video, and I will see you then, or you'll see me then, whichever.